Hello to you. I'm Jessie Johnson. I'll be speaking to you today. This is part 2 of the heliocentric religion, heliocentric model, the political mechanism of this religion, which is the reversal of facts. We stopped on number 8 on part 1. We'll start there. Number 8, that the moon cannot be seen through. It can. The moon is translucent and starlight can be seen through it. Number 9, that the moon is 239 miles away. It's not. Craters, structures, and rocks can be seen with zoom lens cameras and small telescopes that is utterly impossible to see at that distance. Number 10, the moon has its own color. It does not. The moon takes on the color of the Earth's sky at certain patterned intervals frequently. Number 11, the moon is in far outer space. It is not. The moon is within clouded atmospheres at certain patterned intervals infrequently. Number 12, the moon is not inhabited and never was. False. The moon has structures on it that prove that past habitations and civilizations for thousands of years. Here's another one for the moon. That you can get to the moon in common rockets. You cannot. Rockets don't work beyond several hundreds of miles from the Earth's surface. Now we will go to the sun. C. Sun. The heliocentric religion says, number 1, that the sun is ball-shaped. Improbable. The sun shows disc-shaped elements. Number 2, that the sun is larger than the Earth. It is not. It's smaller. The sun is about 350 to 400 miles in diameter. Number 3, the sun is run by nuclear fusion. It's not. The sun is a perpetual etheric machine ran by electromagnetic non-flicker Tesla lamp. Number 4, that the sun is 93 million miles away. It's not. It's about 3.5 thousand to 4,000 miles away. Number 5, pardon me. Now we'll go to D. Planets, or simply planets for planes. Now, the heliocentric religion says, number 1, it's possible to see planets millions of miles away with the naked eye. It's not. It's an impossibility to see planets from this Earth millions of miles away as written in astronomy books with the naked eye or even with cameras and small telescopes. Number 2, that planets reflect the sun's light. As far as can be told, it does not. They're self-illuminated. Number 3, that planets are ball-shaped. Extremely improbable, upwards of 99%. It's highly probable that they are disc-shaped. Number 4, that planets are tens, hundreds, thousands of millions of miles away. They are not. Since our naked eyes can see them, they are in fact tens to hundreds of thousands of miles in distance away. Pardon me, we'll go to E. Extrasolar planets. The heliocentric religion says, number 1, that there are over 850 known extrasolar planets. The fact, there's no proof of this. Not a single planet, none, outside of our own solar system, since they are using light years as measuring sticks. Detecting Jupiter at 88,846 miles in diameter, as the heliocentric religion would tell you, requires a magnification of over 7 million x for 1 light year from Earth alone. We'll go to F. Stars. The heliocentric religion says, number 1, that the stars you see in the night sky are several or many more light years away. They're not. It's an impossibility to see anything 1 trillion miles away or more, no matter how intense, bright, and large it may be with the naked eye. Number 2, that the stars are giant spheres of compressed gases of nuclear fusion plasma systems. They're not. The real stars above our head are extremely large, extremely large, self-luminous type perpetual Tesla crystals of some sort. We'll go to F, galaxies. The heliocentric religion states, number one, that the Andromeda galaxy can be seen from this Earth with the naked eye at 2.5 million light years. You cannot. Nothing can be seen from this Earth that's even 1/6 of a light year. Nothing. We'll go to G now, outer space. The heliocentric religion says, number one, that outer space is an empty void populated with billions of galaxies expanding over 13 billions of light years in every direction. It's not. Since light years are a lie when dealing with single stars, then 13.5 billion light years is a lie when dealing with outer space. As far as can be assessed, humans don't know anything beyond a few million miles in every direction. We'll go to H, universe. The heliocentric religion says, number one, that the universe is about 13.5 billion light years in spherical radius. It's not. The known universe is about 2 to 3 million miles in spherical radius. If there's more of it, we don't know of it as yet. Number two, that the universe is about 14 billion years old. It's not. It is an utter, absolute impossibility to reference this universe. It is ineffable. It is indeterminable. The heliocentric religion has to be dismantled for the good of the human race's survival. Its very survival. It is one of the background systems that runs the capitalist system, which produces virtually every world social malady and world social disease there is. The heliocentric model is not a science, but a religious belief system, and is incorrect in more forms than any other religious belief system. It must be removed totally for our very survival. I want to thank everyone for listening and watching, and have a very good day.